All right, everyone is tripping out on the coronavirus. I'm not a doctor. I'm not going to tell you whether you should or whether you shouldn't. But I am getting a lot of questions about what can I do to boost my immune system. So I'm just going to speak to my wheelhouse. What we know. Number one, sleep, guys. Prioritize your sleep. 7 hours to 8 hours a night. I don't want to hear it. Turn off the TV, close the computer. If you go to bed at 10, you get up at 5. You go to bed at 11, you get up at 6. Figure it out. Number one. Number two, hydration. Really important. You're supporting your body's ability to fight off infection by staying hydrated. When we're dehydrated, it stresses our body and a host of biochemical things go on that make it really hard to fight off infection. So drink water until your pee looks like lemonade. If it looks like applesauce, more water. Now, foods, nutrition, supplementation. What can we do to help fight off a viral infection or boost our immunity? So there's two different pieces of this, right? So there's a chair here that's, I don't know if I feel like I should sit. How do I look, Caitlin? Oh, I look good. Okay, so number one, we want to eat foods that boost our immune cells. The T cells, the B cells, the NK cells, basically the white blood cells. And their job is to go in there and do battle with invaders. In this case, we're talking about viral infections. So they go and they attack those viruses when they get in your system. So we want them doing awesome. We want them to be functioning optimally. So some of the stuff we're talking about will help boost and support those immunity cells. Now, the next question is, what foods can actually, or in studies, have been shown to inhibit the virus's ability to duplicate itself, to replicate, right? To spread, to grow? No bueno. So first things first, Grandma was not wrong when she said vitamin C. Vitamin C is a big one. Personally, you can supplement with it, but it's usually synthetic from a lab. It's not as bioavailable. Eat foods high in vitamin C. Citrus, berries, leafy greens. Get them in every meal. Here's a little trick. I'm such a freak. Here's a little trick that my herb guy taught me. So you take the peel of your orange, your lime, your grapefruit, your lemon, whatever. Don't toss it. You boil it like tea, so you get all the nutrients out of it, and now I just use it as my infused water. And you're gonna get a really high concentration of vitamin C and other nutrients that are antimicrobial. Remember, those microbes are the bad little invader guys, be they bacterial or viral or something else. So this is my personal trick. Doesn't taste amazing, but super duper good for you. And as I said, foods high in vitamin C. Zinc, everyone's going nuts, man. Zinc, wow. People are buying every zinc supplement on the market. Here's the thing with zinc. It's gotta be taken arguably within the first 48 hours. Some people will tell you 24 hours of when you start getting symptoms, because zinc is one of those things that supposedly can slow down a virus's ability to replicate itself. Now, you start going crazy with zinc, taking high doses of zinc, you're gonna have side effects. It can block the absorption of other minerals. Like, I don't love supplementing zinc solo. Not only that, for the reasons I just mentioned, but not only that, it's also where you're delivering the zinc. It's gotta go here and it's gotta go here. So it's either gonna be a nasal spray or a lozenge. Talk to your doctor if you're gonna start supplementing zinc. Okay, no, I know, like, this is my little, I shoot this stuff in my schnozzle, it doesn't feel great, but I know how much to do it. I do it when I start to feel symptoms. You talk to your doctor, but understand you shouldn't be pounding zinc supplements. Eat foods that are high in zinc. So grass-fed beef, organic eggs, shellfish, nuts and seeds, organic yogurt. That stuff, high in zinc. Get it every single day, all right? Now, surely you've heard about all of the, like, oh, elderberry, sage, thyme, garlic, this one, that one. This will make you a little bit nutso. So one of the things, tea, we can all manage tea, right? Dandelion, matcha, ginger, and ginseng. All of these have, it's the catechins in the green tea, it's the gingerone, and the ginger. It's all of these different antioxidants and polyphenols in these teas, again, that have been evidenced to potentially help inhibit the virus from growing in your body. Help inhibit, maybe, possibly. Good news is they're definitely not bad for you. So I can't stand dandelion tea. It tastes bleh. So I get all the dandelion, the matcha, all that stuff in my ALAYA greens. You guys know this. Transparency, invested in this company, love the product. So I take this one every day. It's got all the leafy greens, adaptogens, antioxidants. It's just kind of my catch-all. It's my safety net on my nutrition. So I don't like dandelion. I don't like green tea. I don't eat a ton of leafy greens like I should. So I take this one. There you have it. Now, tea-wise, I'll do a lemon ginger tulsi tea. So it's got holy basil, ginger, and then I might, you, by the way, don't have to spend the money on this. Zero investment in this company. It's a little shot that has lemon, ginger, what the hell else is in this thing? Like all kinds of, it's just serious concentrated C and ginger. I put that in my tea with manuka honey. Really, you could go raw honey. This, it's like $3 a shot. Not necessary. You could squeeze some lemon in there, grate some ginger, okay? Tea, you can afford this one. This stuff is banana shorts expensive. It's ridiculous. You don't have to do it. Raw honey will work fine. Why? Again, honey, I also have propolis in there that I dump into the tea, but honey and propolis has, again, antimicrobial effects. From antifungal to antibacterial, potentially antiviral. So I think, how's it gonna hurt? Can't hurt. So I do some tea, shot of this guy, squeeze some lemon, and some honey in there. Tastes awesome anyway. All right, garlic. Wow, holy cow, is this one powerful. But it will make you stink, mother of God. You will smell. And to eat the amount of garlic you would have to eat to get the benefits, you've got to do 2 to 3 cloves a day raw. So I can't do it. Cannot do it. So we're going to talk about this one in a second. Elderberry. Everyone's buying out the stores on this stuff. And I am guilty of it right now because the supplement that I love for when I am sick, I don't have yet. I ordered it, but I don't have it. Like, I ordered it just in case. And this one, same thing. It has golden seal, echinacea, holy basil, thyme, sage, all those things you read about that you can't possibly go solo on. So I'm going to tell you about a supplement I take only when I'm sick. It is not cheap. I have zero investment in this company. I don't know the owners. I don't make any money off them. FTC, come at me. I'm not saying it can cure anything. When I get sick, I do take this product. And I have to pull it up because I don't even remember all the stuff that's in it. It's called Dr. Scholl's. And again, I only take this product when I am actually sick. And the reason I like it is because, ready? It has wild harvested echinacea, angustifolia root, I don't even know what the hell that one is, acerola cherries, white onions, Hawaiian yellow ginger, horseradish, garlic bulb, elderberry, blackberry, harvested desert sage, coffee, licorice, cherry bark, habanero pepper, organic thyme, organic fennel. Like, I could go on and on and on and on and on. It doesn't taste awesome. It isn't cheap. But if you want to get nutso and you're like on Google, like which is going to help me fight off this and boost that, like, you're going to read about all those ingredients. And this is what I'm trying to help you avoid, even though I personally will do it. Yeah, so you can check out Dr. Scholl's cold and flu shot. Again, I don't make any money. They're not paying me. There's zero, nothing, no involvement. But yeah, those things will do the trick. Sleep, hydrate, use common sense, right? Don't eat garbage. And the rest, you got this. You got this. All right, guys, for fitness instruction, nutrition advice, all things health and wellness, like, subscribe, click, comment,